Good morning, everyone. Once again, this morning video we have a V8 SS Commodore uh, fuel injector cleaning. So we have here our injector cleaning machine. So first thing we have to do is we have to remove the fuel pump fuse or relay, which one of those two, so that when you switch on the ignition the fuel pump will not work, and then put the machine on, starts the engine, and then that's it. You don't need to take off the fuel injector one by one and put it on the injector sonic clean. It's sonic clean is good, but it requires a lot of work. So for this V8 engine you have to take off that one. It's really time consuming. So for this it helps a lot and less labor for the customer. So once the engine stall, that's it. For this V8 engine we require 2 bottles of fuel injector cleaning liquid, which is this one here. Because it's a V8, it won't last. It's really in the engine, so we just used one. So, and of course we have here a Mercedes-Benz 20 GR, a V6 engine. Yeah, the problem for this is the fuse for the pressure hose and the return hose is leaking badly. So that's how it was there. It's leaking really bad. The steering is stiff. Sometimes when you turn the steering, sometimes it's really soft, and sometimes you almost cannot turn the steering. So this is one car for today. That's one car for today. 2 cars, and this Holden Colorado 2.8 diesel engine wheel bearing replacement. And yeah, so we finished repack the bearing already. We finished replacing the bearing. We're just waiting for the spindle nut, which is worn out already. That's one there. So we're waiting for the parts for this to come in, and then that's it. We fitted that, then good to go. We have also this morning a Volkswagen Beetle, the legendary Beetles of Volkswagen. So this car is just only a service, just a minor service. And our car park, we still have that Ford Territory, that Mazda blue one there, which is the gearbox. Replaced the rear main seal and some suspensions job. So that's it for this morning, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and subscribe my channel if you can. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.